In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a PayPal Me link. So this is a link that you can send to a friend or customer, right? So they can pay you directly. So what you want to do is go to send and request, then select more, and then create a profile. Then here, you're going to select create your PayPal Me profile. Then here, just select create PayPal.me profile. You can add a photo if you wish, that's optional. I'm going to select not now. And then you just specify your handle, right? So I'm just going to select next to continue, agree to the terms and condition, and then agree and create. Then select done, and that's basically it. So when you select get started now, you should see the information for your PayPal Me profile. So you can select share to copy the link, right? And then select copy link, and that's literal it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.